Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the water slide. The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. That's perfect! That was amazing! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Excellent! We all love your train set! You've opened all the toys in this box, but there are still... This adventure box contains a unique engine, 9 toys to place in your train set, and a new exciting mini... Where to now? Forward leads to the town... Right leads to the haunted castle. This adventure box, McCall's farm, is coming up. Right leads to McCall's farm. McCall's farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their... That's the way! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! There's nothing left to unwrap, but these new packs are full of new toys to open. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your trains. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. Super! Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. That's the way! Thanks for helping out! You've opened all the toys in this box. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left, super! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Great! We all love your train set. There's nothing left to unwrap, but these new packs are full of new toys